like to start with small quote. Our everybody you know that our academic hero, Dr. Abdul Kalam said, "Learning gives the creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides the knowledge, and the knowledge make you great." Okay, so we're going to start with our formal precedents. So today, agenda, the topic name, enhancing research performance through the AI. So this topic, it's right now, it is a very needful as well as it is a essential one for the academic person. So what is the reason? So in the early stage, as a faculty, they are going to get the classes to give the notes just to pass the students. So in this current scenario, your faculty as well as research scholar to play as a very vital role. For example, you are going to taking the classes to preparing the audio as well as video content. You need to publish a research articles and you need to publish the pattern, you need to apply the funding projects. There are so many role, many of the faculty member right now you are going to play. So the AI to give the complete solution, how you are going to overcome this kind of issues. So first thing, the topic number one, when you are going to start the research work. So research it is nothing but research. We're going to find either novelty or innovations or you are going to existing work. This is the basic concept of the research. So there are so many type of research, next applied research, implementation. There are so many think of research is there in the research topic, but we would not go for the in-depth. First thing, how you are going to select the research topic, number one. Number one, how you are going to select the research topic mean, first thing you can think which area you are in the interest. Number two, your research work, it should be used to the society. Number three, the research work align with the SDG 17 goals. Number four, when you are going to select the research topics, after you will complete your research work, you are going to get the funding. Before you are going to start to select the research topic, kindly refer lot of funding websites. Okay. So this is this current scenario, funding, to apply the funding opportunity. So this is a very essential one. You can think over this, all the thing, then only you can choose the topic. For that purpose, so in the early stage, they are using for the to find the paper with the help of Google Scholar. So the Google Scholar to provide the only for relevant data as well as lot of unwanted data also provide. So with the AI to give us a complete solution for like a semantic scholar, it is a deep learning basis research work. So once you are going to select the research topic, next stage will do as a literature survey or literature review. So literature survey and the literature review mean, so in the early stage, we have to prepare one Excel sheet. First, you can enter your register number, serial number, author name, paper title. So what is the innovation in the research work? What are the methodology? What is the tool and technology is used? And then what is the research? So we have to prepare the manually each and every stage. So when you are using for the AI tool, so no need to prepare the Excel tool. Just you can upload all your PDF file. Just to give the prompt. The prompt give the complete result. So how you want the data. So what is the way you need to present the data. So that's why the literature review AI tool will be helpful for you. So all the details today we'll go and discuss through the live. So after third stage, once the literature review is completed, the third stage is called as a data collection part. So data collection, it is a very big, toughest task. Why it's a toughest task mean, so you are going to collect whether it should be a benchmark data set or the real-time data sets. Okay. So once if you are going to collect the real-time data set, what is the authenticated information? So that the AI, so the difficulties it will going to overcome with the help of a lot of AI tools right now available. Just you can click, you can download the benchmark data set, you can buy the data set. There are Google.com or UC repository or AWS or Google dataset or government data websites. There are so many things it's available for you to collect the data sets. So I will going to discuss about the third point. Next one, once the three part is completed, next you are going to implement your research work. So that is called as analyzing part. So early stage, we need to learn. There are so many programming languages like Java or .NET or R, SPSS or image processing like MATLAB. There are many tools you need to learn to implement the research work. So right now there is no need. Just you can write the coding. You can think what in your mind. What are the way you need to get the result? The AI tool will replace everything. For example, Julius.ai, Copilot, Microsoft, as well Google Colab. So those kind of things will going to provide the complete solution. So once the four parties over, next we need to publish our research work, either we're going to write a thesis. So that uh, we, with the help of AI tools like as Paperpal, as Journal Finder, and Who's.com to provide the how you are going to write the abstracts, next introduction part, what are the keywords you need to find, introduction part, and literature review, the methodology, what is a finding, implementation, result and discussion, a conclusion, references. And think once the paper was completed, so which journal it should be relevant to publish your research article, so that you can using for the journal finder, it will be helpful to find the information. Another thing, another very difficult issues in this current scenario, lot of clone website as well as fake websites available in this market. So how you are going to identify this website? It is a fake website. This is a clone website. Who is the owner of the website? So that we need to give recommend as a who's.com will give the complete resolution. This is the five things relevant to the research work. Another thing, the another one, general assistance. Right now, we are in digital era, for example, AI-based era. Each and everybody, you must learn the basic fundamental AI tool like as a number one, Canva. Once other else, number two, any department, any institution, as well as any organization, you need to create the websites without any technical support. How you are going to create the websites? Third point, next one for the skill.google.com. So the skill.google.com to provide the upskill your knowledge, like as a AI or generative AI. When you are going to study the AI related course, you can spend a lot of money. So Google to provide the skill.google.com. So it will be very useful for the who's all interested to upskill your AI or generative AI or mobile app development, any other latest technology. So Google skill.com to provide the complete solution. Once you can log in, then you can read the content. There is a video lecture is there. Once the video lecture over, there are so many so small level questions. Once you can submit it, so you can get the lot of rewards. Once you can achieve the rewards, the course fully free. Another thing very important, you can get the certificates from the Google. So once you are the certified professional of the Google, automatically so you can get the good job market as well as you can improve your skill. Next one for the OBS, that is a project.com. So what is the purpose of OBS mean? Uh, Many of the teachers right now to create the video contents, they need to be one free software is called as a OBS Studio. This is either you are using either you are using for the Windows or Mac or any other operating system. The OBS Studio provide the complete solution. You can create the video content as well as in, for example, in this FTP live stream to the Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. The complete solution to provide the OBS Studio. This is one of the academic purpose. You can use it as a OBS Studio. This OBS Studio give the to create the video contents. So those kind of things we're going to discuss on the today's session through the live. Okay, number one, artificial intelligence. So I hope everybody you know that what is mean by artificial intelligence. As this is the buzzwords, and as next some of the year AI what is it dominate to all the persons. So what is mean by artificial? What is mean by intelligence? Artificial mean so as a human to create. This is called as artificial intelligence. As the human, how they are thinking. Same thing, the machine need to be think. This is basic and fundamental concept of the artificial intelligence. So number one, artificial intelligence is a ability of machines to simulate human intelligence process such as a thinking, learning, and problem solving ability. This is a fundamental concept of the artificial intelligence. So next, as a human, we can learn through the book or materials or internet from the others or many way we have to learn. But machine, based on your data, based on our input, based on our data, they should be learned. So learning from the data. So based on the previous data, based on the input, based on your prompt, the machine can be learned. So AI system learn from the experience and improve the performance over the time. Number two. Next, automation of intelligent tasks. Once we have to create the intelligent machine. So without any human interaction, so system can be run automatically without any environment. So AI performs tasks such as a problem solving ability, so future prediction and language understanding. That is called as NLP without constant human invention. This is a fundamental concept of the artificial intelligence. I'm not going deeper about the theoretical part. Okay, so artificial coming under the machine learning, deep learning, next NLP, that is a natural language process. I hope you know that the machine learning. So how the man to think, create. So the machine need to be think. So it is a machine learning. It is a subset of artificial intelligence, and there are three primary parts. One, supervised machine learning. Number two, unsupervised machine learning. Number three, reinforcement learning. So what is meant by supervised learning? We can get the desired output is called as a supervised learning. Unsupervised learning, there is no desired output. So based on the data, based on the situation, whether it be given as a positive result or negative result, this is called as a unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning means, so based on your input to give the what is it called as awards rewards category. For example, above 85 percentage you can get the distinction. 70 to 80, that is a first class. There is so many categories. This is like as a fundamental concept of the reinforcement learning. Okay, this is basic concept. So now come to the our research topic. Number one, already I told you, problem identification. So this is a very important concept of the whether you are going to write the research article, whether you are going to submit a project proposal, whether you are going to create one pattern. The problem identification plays a very important role. First, how you find as a problem identification, I'm going to give us a small demo. First thing, the traditional way we can using for the Google Scholar, for example. I'd like to with the traditional method as well as AI based method. Just a minute. For example, I'm going to enter some any of the small question, student performance analysis system. This is a traditional way we can select the research topic. So after when you are complete the AI tool, just go to the semantic scholar. Yes, this as an customer, or you can do as a is sorted by date or customer. This is a semantic way. Just having to copy and paste it over here. Sorry, it was a little bit slow. So, so this is like as a AI enabled search engine. What is the difference between the Google Scholar and Semantic Scholar? Google Scholar to provide the all the informations, but Semantic Scholar to provide deep learning enabled search result. So it will be provide the fully for relevant data. Next, you can choose whether how you want, whether rating basis or citation based as PDF or author, okay, or any other more filter, software by relevant or most citation or references, okay. This is a primary difference between the traditional Google Scholar as well as Semantic Scholar. Semantic Scholar, it is one of the AI enabled, that is a deep learning based research result. Next, another tool is called as a journal finder. Sorry, the broadband was a little bit slow. Can you adjust it? So the journal finder to provide the solution. For example, whether the journal is scopus or not. Other else, suppose you are going to prepare one research article. This research, the research what research. Suppose you are going to prepare one research article. Just you can copy and paste your abstract. So this journal finder to give the solution for you. So which journal suitable for your research work, as well as what is the H index of your research article, what is the impact, how long it will take the publish your research article. It will be given as a complete solution for your queries. For example, just I'm going to copy any one researcher abstract. Just I have to copy, just to paste into the journal finder. So find the journal. So just a minute. Yes. For example, based on your abstract, it's recommend what is a impact factor, the teaching and the teaching education, impact factor, citation score, summation, first decision, 6 days, or acceptance of the publication, 9 days. It will be show the n number of journals. The journal finder recommend to you, okay, which is the best, how long it will be taken, as well as this journal it is open access or it's not a open access, whether it should be a SCI or Web of Science or Scopus, or all the details you can receive with the help of the journal finder. Not only for the journal fund, like as IEEE also to provide the complete solution. This is a way you can search your research article. Okay, you can collect the data, you can collect the research article through the essay, uh, uh, through the science manager or journal finder or IEEE conference search. Just a minute. Yes. Again, you can copy and paste your topic or copy and paste your title, anything. So this tool will be helpful to find the full guide. How to find the research article. Next, I would like to show how you do your literature review. So normally the literature review, we have to create one Excel sheet, serial number, date, author, everything we can made it. So finally we can give us a conclusion. So that I'm using for the literature review purpose, let's edit.paperpal.com. That is a paperpal.com. So this paperpal.com to give us a improve your grammar, clarity, academic tones and paraphrasing and the overall manuscript quality, research paper, thesis, or journal submission. So give the complete solution. Just I'm going to enter the paper call. Okay. Just you can select. Okay. Paper call. Yes. This is for the Paperball dashboard. Already I have the account, so directly I have to log in into the Paperpal account. Whether else you can create, you can sign up, and then there are two kind of plans. Number one, free. Number two, that is a payment version. So just it's initial stage. You can use the free version to provide the n number of submission. It will be given as a n number of query you can ask. Okay. First, once you can log in this page, go to the help center. So go to the FAQ, ask video tutorial, and what's a new, write us. For example, FAQ to provide the, so what are the questions you need? Already they have typed. What is a paper pal? Can use a paper pal? This is a demo video, how to write the research paper, how to write a research paper in this paper pal. So it's offer for the student discount. Though many of the question relevant on our topic, as well as there is the video tutorial is there. Just I'm going to give the fundamental. Once you want to start, please go through the FAQ as well as tutorial video. Okay. So next, for example, chart with the PDF. Just I'm going to give an essay, chart with the PDF. So what is mean by chart with the PDF? Mean just you can upload your research article to the paper file. For example, select. You can select any research articles. Okay, upload. So not only one research article, you can upload n number of research article, multiple research article also you have to upload. For example, just first I'd like to download any articles. Okay. For testing purpose, I have to download any one research article. So I'm choose as a general topic. This is a layer test, and I need any other PDF file. For example, this is a PDF. Just randomly, I got to select. Now I can upload it to the paper path. Select your research article. Yes, the research article has been loaded. Once the research article loaded, you can ask any questions regarding who is the author of the journal, what is the research gap, what are the technology, what is the methodology used in the research articles to give the complete summary of the research paper, whether you need abstract of the paper, what is the say introduction part or any one part, just you can copy. So you can select it and make it as a what is that called as notes also. I don't know how long it will take, very slow. Just a minute. In the meantime, I can read the paper. For actually, this is a 13 level. Okay. So here you can ask any questions. The default, there are many questions there. What is the main argument made this study? What are the premises assumed to made it this? Explain the context or background of the study. What are the aim, objective of the study? Provide the summary of introduction section. Explain the existing research gap or ration of the gap, or decide the significant implementation. There are the default AI will be generated more than 20 queries. Just you can check, explain the proposed methodology used in this study. Just you can select. So AI to analyze the total paper. Okay. So to give us a complete result. Okay. Another thing, so suppose if we need any topic, just a minute, I can increase small size. Just you need any other important point, you can select it over here. Okay. Then create the note. So parallel to prepare, for example, save the another note or save the, or this is a one note, just you can create one note. Yes. Already we have requested the some question about that. What is the innovations? Teachers method. Based on our input, the paper call given the complete solution. So approaches and methodology of the study, literature review, data collections, detail of method, data collection, that is a data collection purpose they are using for the Moodle and Google Sheet, data filing. So data collection attributes, attributes like as a number of the module, number of the log, total number of quiz, total number of take answer. So it should be given as a complete result based on your query. Next, suppose if you are going to write on research paper, normally, so once we have to open the PDF, we can study, then copy the particular content, so paste into the MS Word or paste into some other website. But paper poll, just you can study your research paper. Just I'm going to zoom it. Just a minute. It's loading. Just I need this particular point, okay, for the data set or quick summaries. Just I'm going to select and right click, save the notes. Yes, save to unknown document, or just you can give as a note. This is a note. So not only one paper, you can upload your so a number of paper. So you can read it the primary point. Just you can select it, save it, or turn it, open it. Sorry, due to the network bandwidth slow, so the fast has been there is a less speed. So not only for the one point, you can select many multiple point also. For example, randomly I have to select one point. Again, I'm going to save. Just I can change the bandwidth. It is very slow. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So which point you are selected, as well as what is the source, what is the details. Okay. So paper Paul will given us a complete solution. Next, so what are the relevant to the paper. Just you can select this icon. So same topic. What are the relevance? It will be the paper for advice to you. Just a minute. Okay. So the relevant paper means based on our input or based on your abstract or based on your details. Okay. So what are the relevant? What are the reference paper? Completely to provide the input. Next, go to the menu. Please switch off the faster connection. Okay. Sorry. I hope is it audible now. Vidya madam is it audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you are audible.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Sorry. The next one for the ulearn.com. I would like to just a minute. So another thing, you can write the own document. Just I'm going to select as a new web document. It is very slow. Better I would like to change my Okay, just you can type, select. So
Sir,
select
if
as
you
a
want, you
paper
can
call
switch off
AI.
the video. Sir, sir, if you want to switch off the video for saving the bandwidth, that is also fine,
Just a
sir.
minute. Okay, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes. Just a minute. Thank you, madam.
Yeah, sir, it's visible. Yeah, yeah,
It's visible.
yeah.
Okay. Just okay. Just you can give us a paragraph. To write the abstract for student performance analysis using machine learning techniques. In the right hand side, there is the so many options is there. Just you can select your abstract. Oh, sorry. Here, just a minute. Yes. Just you can select the content. There is the default template is there. Just you can select your template. Okay. For example, either do you want any other outline or email, or do you want to check the PDF, or you need to write, suppose you need to write as a abstract or introduction part. Okay. Write the paragraph, expanding the, so explain, keep writing.
Sir, you are on mute, perhaps.
Sir will join back shortly. Kindly participants. Yeah.
Sorry, due to some technical issues, it's not audible now. Okay, shall I share my?
Yes, sir, it's audible now. Yeah, yeah.
Sorry to all. There is some technical issue. Okay, okay, the abstract is ready. Just you can insert. Okay, the abstract is ready. And suppose if you need introduction part or methodology, or you need to write as any other architecture. So not even only one paper, you can upload many papers. As well as there is another option available for the MS add-on. Just you can download the add-on. So include in your MS Office. So all the options, it will be available on your MS Office also. Okay. Otherwise, Google Docs add-on also available. Just you can enable the Google Docs add-on. So at the same time, many of the user you can access you can write your research article. For example, when you are going to write your research article, there are two authors or three authors. Just you can share. There is the option is there. Just you can share to the other person. So parallelly, they are going to write. Okay, for example, I'm going to use. Okay, to owner or any other person, they can edit. So you can give the rights authorization. Can be view only, then be edit, or it can give as a Google column. So parallelly, more than one author, they can write the research article. So another thing, plagiarism checking. So once you can upload your either your research articles or either your own content, you can check the plagiarism. So everybody, that plagiarism is a very important role in the academic part. Whether you are going to write the research article, whether you are going to write as a, for example, just I have to upload any other file. Okay. Whether you are going to write a thesis, whether you are going to write a research article, the plagiarism to play as a very important role. So that this tool will be helpful to avoid the plagiarism. Suppose if you are writing for example, if you are writing as a AI based content also, so it will be given as a which part is a AI developed content, which part it is a own writing content, what are the point you are going to, all the details will be received. You can get it from the, for example, this is the detail. Once you can upload your research articles, you can get a complete solution for what is that? A plagiarism report. So what are the content, what each and every places, what are the places you want to collect the data set, as well as what is the AI content, which is what is the research article, like as a turn it into given as a complete procedure, same like as paper also to provide the complete solution. So detecting the AI generated text for the millions of source of ensuring. Once you can upload your research article, it will be given as a full result. So next, yes, this is the AI detector result. Next is submission check. Submission check means, for example, once the paper was ready, once you are complete your research work, go to the submission check. It will be given as a guideline for you. Which journal is suitable? What is the durations? Okay. So whole thing to paper part to provide the. It is just you can upload your details, upload your manuscript. You can get the full result. Okay. I hope I given us a basic and fundamental concept of the paper part. Next, I move to the another two. So another tool is called as a ULearn. So normally, whether paper or other AI assistants, once you can upload your PDF, you can ask any other question, you can write your AI generated content or many things. Suppose if you are using for the YouTube video, okay, so there is no time to view all the content. So just you can using for the just I would like to given. Okay, with the help of ULearn, you can get full result. For example, this is a ULearn website. This is another tool. It's called as it's called ULearn. Go to the YouTube. You can type any study material or any YouTube video or any tutorial video. Just a minute. Yes, ULearn. Yes. Once you can log in the ulearn.com, whether you can upload the PDF, whether you can upload your PPT, whether you can upload the what is it called as a document, whether you can upload the yes recorded audio. For example, now I'm going to upload the any other video or audio. Just a minute. Or whether you can even as a YouTube video also. Just go to the YouTube. Simple learn. Okay, machine learning algorithm. Okay. Next, paste to the yes link. And, copy the YouTube or any other website. Just a link. Select the link. I'm going to pause it. Okay. Just you can take it any video, not even just randomly select one video. So I'm going to select as any random video. Okay. Yeah. So this is the AI assistant. Just here you can ask any questions. For example, once you can upload the website or AI video, explain about the machine learning technique, how to use AI in ML. I'm going to ask. So the AI assistant to check. Okay. To give the complete result. For example, this data coming from the data sources in this video. What are the information they are given the video? So the AI is to collect the information. Yes, definition of the AI. So all the details, architecture. So this is in seconds. The video 5.3 seconds to 8.3 seconds. Next, so 14th second. This is it's just you can represent, just you can select, scroll to the particular video point. You can ask any questions. Quiz on machine learning. So based on the video, you can generate the quiz program also.
Excuse me, sir, I have a small doubt. If the
Yes, madam.
video is in Hindi language or some other language, can
Okay.
I get the quiz in English?
We'll check it, madam. Normally, I have to try to only for the English, whether we can check. Okay, NLP inbuilt or it's enabled or not. Okay.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, did you paste this YouTube link in PaperPal or any other software?
This
Any
is a
other way?
U-Learn, sir. Paperwall is over. Next, I'm going to the another tool like as a U-Learn.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
There
There
is
we
a
can paste
U-Learn
the
method.
YouTube video link.
Just for example, randomly I have to select it. Go to the YouTube. You can select any video. Not even for example, I'm going to select as a YouTube for any video or machine learning or which subject you need. A small issue is the net is very slow. Okay. Just again, I'm going to refresh. Go to the home page.
It's okay, sir. But the internet is slow, but the content is interesting.
Thank you. For example, just go to the Google search, select as a ULearn. Okay. Not only for the YouTube, just you can enter any website, for example, W3 schools, or there are many websites there. Either you can upload your textbook also. For example, as a professor, we need to create the book content also. For example, you can upload your textbook. You can ask, for example, each and every institution right now, we are create as a, what is called as a question bank. So just you can enter the question bank based on your book to provide the information, sir. For example, here you need to upload the file, audio, video, number one. Next, the link part. Either you can upload your YouTube or website. Other, you can paste it with any text. Okay. For example, any text, copy and paste it to the PPT or anything. So another record lecture. Suppose only for the audio, just you can upload it. This is anything you can upload it. Then you can ask any questions. So based on the recorded video, you can ask any question to provide the response also. So automatically to frame the question, no need to write as, no need to ask any question to the student.
Okay,
Is
sir,
it clear,
free
sir?
or we need to pay any fees?
It's a free, sir. Just you can try it. I'm looking for only for the freeware. Suppose if you are going to use many usage of, that's why you need to upgrade. So basic concept, basic as a professor, basic you can log in. All the details are complete free, sir. When you are going for the many updates or many content relevant or business relevant, then only you need to upgrade the plan.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope it's clear. Next, I would like to move on to the next tool. Okay. So next, already I hope you know that. So data collection, data set collection is a very important role. Okay, in the research work. For example, the Google.com or UCA repository to provide the complete solution, as well as Google also to provide the data set. Just I'm going to check. Google data set search. Okay. So not only for the Google search, as well as Amazon to provide the data set, IEEE to provide the data set. Okay. For here, I need the same thing. So this you are the general category. So the IT student performance data set. Just I'm going to select it. Okay. For example, it will be recommended them anything. Just I have to download it. Zip file. Okay. Student performance analysis. The right hand side, it provides the n number of link data set from the many resources. Is it clear? Okay. For example, the testing purpose, I'm going
this data set provides the data of corporate data, macroeconomic data.
You can ask any question, sir. For example, everybody does either cancer data set or heart disease prediction or anything you can ask. Based on your research topic, you can give us a prompt or you can give us a input. So the student performance, everybody, they know that for that purpose, I'm going to using the same topic.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
So it is a multidisciplinary. For that purpose, I'm using for the student performance data set. Suppose if your research area in the medical field, your research area in engineering field, also you can choose. Just you can download it. Okay, this is a zip file. Just you can download it, save it in your file. Whether Google.com or UCA repository. I hope everybody then you know that UCA repository. Just I'm going to copy. So this is also already you are asking many questions. So the user repository provide the n number of data sets like as IRAS, hard disease, or what are the you need, bank managing, fraud detection. There are so many things. Or agriculture relevant. Okay, you can download the data set from the many sources. Another thing, another one too. Another tool called copper.io. Either you can use it for the user repository as well as Google.com or copper.ai. This is on the platform. It is easy to download your data set. Just a minute. The site is loading. So parallel, I have to move to the next step. I will check. Okay. So the message part, first part is introduction. That is introduction part. Second part is the data collection part. So next part is the data analysis. Once the data set is downloaded, you need to implement your search work. So the site is called as name is Julius.ai. So just you can log in Julius.ai chatbot. Just you can select it. Yes. This is this combination of three. Number one, no need to ready any coding. Okay, just you can upload your data set. It will be provide the complete data analysis. For example, just I'm going to try it free. Okay, collected from the. This is a combination of Perplexity as well as big data, and you can upload the Excel file or PDF many way. So as any analysis, this is a fun number one. Connect your data source like as a Perplexity or PDF or big data or Excel file or you can collect it. You can share your Google Drive. So ask your analysis, then get the result. So start free. Okay. Yes. What do you want to analyze? Just start from the template or connect the stack or connect the Postgre. For example, right now I'm going to upload my Excel sheet. Here there is the option is there. Just you can attach. After attach, there are many ways. Just you can upload the file or files or Google Drive or personal OneDrive or SharePoint. Just I'm going to upload in my Excel file. On the early stage, we want to learn SPSS, ANOVA method, or there are so many analytics, R tool, many things. Just I'm going to select the one default student performance data set. Just I would like to open the parallelly. Right click. Just you can see the student data set. Open with the Excel. Already it's loading. Yes. 0% uploaded.
Sir, do you have a paid one? Do you have subscribed for this, Julius?
No, sir, I'm doing everything free, sir. Suppose if you need a more research work, you can upgrade either 1 month or 6 months or 1 year. So that is that much amount. Just within 5 to 6,000, maybe. Then I'm using only for the fully free, sir. Trial period. Otherwise, the basic concept, just you can use it. Just this is for the data set.
Sir,
I had uploaded data
last
set.
time I tried to use it for free, but I think few months back. But I don't have a good experience when it comes to Julius because I upload the data set and it didn't give the correct analysis. But I was
Sir,
just using the free version that time because I thought of getting subscription, but I didn't get.
okay. Suppose if you want, just you can upgrade, sir. There is no alternative way. Okay. So compare with the you are going to learn from the Python or C++ or Java or SPSS or MATLAB, many tools. Just you can try to AI tools. Sir. Okay. This is a process.
Okay.
Just I'm going to ask some other questions. For example, to give a result or performance result. Just I'm going to enter. Just you can select. Run the code. So do you want to analyze? Just a minute. Yes, the Python coding is loaded. So no need to learn the Python. So automatically, based on your prompt, automatically the coding will be generated. Okay, this is the dataset description. Suppose if you want to as a graphical representation, the impact of life data. Okay, just a minute. Yes, this is a summary of your result. And I think to provide the graphical representation also. You can get more attractive and relevant graphical representation. Just you can download it, use it in your research paper. So next, automatically it will be asking some of the question. Which is a driving product is most? Which is factor is predicting the burn most? What are you dealing with the boost performance of most? So you can ask any questions. So GDS to provide the complete result. So only one thing, how you need to what is it, extract the information, that is a primary part. Another thing, you can give the proper prompt to the Julius to provide the accurate result. So intelligence, let me with deep learning. For example, continue for the stack and many things. Okay, I would like to move to the next hearing. Next. Yes. Next one for the paper editing. Okay. So already we have discussed about the paper poll, another thing journal finder. So next, once the paper is ready, next we need to publish our research article. For that purpose, whether we can check the site is cloned or original or fake website. So that I'm using for the quiz.com. Just I have to copy, paste it to the URL. Okay, it's running. Okay, background coding is running. Okay, whether you can apply in your any other algorithm also, whether machine learning algorithm, whether decision tree or any SVM or random forest or any random poster or any methodology, any algorithm you can apply with the help of Julius. Julius to give us a pre-processing as well as analytical report and then complete graphical representation. Suppose if you need any other description about the result, so just you can give us a prompt, just you can use it and get the result. Next, I move to the website name is called as who's.com. Okay. So what is a primary objective of this website mean? You can get the who is the owner of the website. Okay, when the website was created. Okay. For example, the testing purpose, I'm going to use any one, for example, Kerala University website. For example, the testing purpose I use, just you can enter any journal name, not even the university website. Other you can choose any journal or any website you can copy and paste it over here. Let's search. So in this current scenario, many of the clone websites available. Just once you can copy the website address, then you can get some idea. Okay, for example, domain name, Kerala University, who's the registration, when the website was created, what are the server? So it is a government registered or not? Who is the contact number? For example, what is the registration ID, IP address, when the website was expired? All the details you can get through the website. So then only you can finalize, you can identify this website is fake or original, who is the owner. For example, I'm going to use some other website also. For example, journal, IEEE Explorer or something now. Just I'm going to copy and paste it. Yes. Domain name IEEE registration on 1/1989. So you expect 2027, updated 2025. Who is the name server, network solution, domain, that is service contact number. All the detail you have to receive through the proper journal. Then only you can identify whether this journal was original or fake. Okay, it is a cloned or not. How long the website was created. Next, I would like to move to the next. So another thing, what are the general thing we need to learn? I hope right now as a faculty, we need to play as a many role. Number one, we are taking the classes. And number two, to create the content, either book or audio or video. Number three, you need to submit the research article. Number four, you need to apply the funding project. Number five, as a faculty, need to be file the patent. Okay, there are so many roles we have to play. So the AI tools will give us a complete guideline. For example, each and every department, they are conducting the workshop, FTP or conference. So that the basic purpose right now, each and everybody, they should be learn our basic tool is called as a Canva. I hope everybody you know that. But anyway, I would like to convey what is the main advantages of the Canva. Somebody they don't know how it is, just I'm going to open and given the what is the functionality. Okay. So the Canva you can create the any brochure, or you can create the any video. You can create any other social media relevant content. Okay, all the multimedia relevant thing you can use it for the Canva. So there is no need any other technical skill. Suppose if you are using for the Photoshop, you need to the technical skill. So Canva, just you need only for the creativity, how you are going to presentation manner. Okay, whether you need to create as a PowerPoint presentation. Just I'm not go in depth. I hope everybody they know about the Canva. Just somebody who's allowed you are not known, just you can try. This is for completely free. Who's all working from the government school? It is a fully provide the that is a full provision. Suppose if you want if you need to update your what is the called as your premium plan, go to the premium plan. You need to pay the basic option complete free. Whether you can go for education or presentation or video, or going to create as any other video content relevant. I'm not taking the much more time. I hope everybody you know that Canva, so that just I'm going to create the content. The Canva it's content, there are so many templates. Or whether when you are going for any inspection purpose, or you are going to give as a guest lecture, with the help of Canva to provide the more attractive PowerPoint presentation, to compare than our normal PPT. As well as suppose in your department event, you need to create as any small video. So with the help of Canva, easy to design and develop and launch. Okay. So Canva, it will provide the education purpose, a presentation or social media or video or portable or document or whiteboard sheet, or you are going to create the website, and there are so many options available in the Canva. I hope you know that this is a template. You can use it the template, just you can edit your text. This is all the premium. Just you can check whether it's a free or premium. Okay, this is all the freeware. So this is premium. Okay. Apply all the thing. You can edit any other your content, just you are going to present now. You can download the PPT, edit your own with the help of MS Office also. Otherwise, you can directly edit to the Canva also. This is a normal presentation. It's a Canva presentation. So we should understand the difference. Okay, I move to the next. Same like as a video content making or anything. Just you can log in. You can get. There are so many ideas. Next one for the skill.google.com. I would like to recommend whosoever you want to learn generative AI or AI courses or mobile app development, the Google to provide the complete free tutorial, as well as once you are going to complete the courses, Google to provide the certificates, so that you can log into the skill.google.com. Okay, build the AI skill for your tomorrow today. Whether you are just getting the start to looking the deeper on your knowledge future. Okay, this is stuff. Whether you need to learn generative AI, deploy managing AI model, build a model. For example, Gemini AI agent, complete free. As a student, you can utilize this one. Our students are any, for example, you can log in or join. You can recommend to the students. Okay, this is for the integrate as a AI tool for your data flow. Gemini data science and analysis. Fully one of the course. Yes. Gemini quizzes 3 hours introduction. It's up to 7 months ago. Just you can sign and join. Let's create the account. Just log in with the help of in your own mail ID. And I think once you are complete your task, automatically the credit point will be increased. Once you are reach your credit point, automatically you can learn many courses. It is a complete free. Start for 25 credit point. So this is a credit point will be in the top. So most of the students, most of the faculty students, we are enrolled in this NPTEL and the SWAYAM courses as per the academic purpose. But AI and other like as a skill-based Google to provide the international certificates. Okay, go to the live course. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lab. So to provide the complete solution. Okay. I hope did you understand? I will move to the next topic. Another one called as a site.google.com. Okay, I am recommending the site.google.com. So this tool would be helpful for to create the own website, whether your institution or you are going to run the one organization. For example, I would like to, this is a site.google.com. For example, I would like to show my website, professordharma.com, for only for the, what is the outcome? If you want to create the professional website like this, this is my personal website. For example, home page, as well as there are so many menus. Just a minute. For example, in your department, they need to conduct any other conference or any other event. Okay, so with the help of google.site.com, you can create the own website. As a professor, you need to create own profile. Okay, so you can create one website, small website with the help of Google. There is no need any other technical skill. Just the same like as you can upload your, you can prepare your document. There are so many basic menus there. For example, this is a home page. For example, this is a notes. My students are once I have to take in the classes, I have to upload my data through the Google Drive. So once it will be selected the select the topic,
Sorry to interrupt
so
you, sir.
automatically
Sir,
they
please
can
show it
get the
again.
PDF file
Sir,
or automatically they can get the just a minute, sir. First thing, you can go to the Google dot. Just a minute. First, go to the Google. Okay, is it clear, sir? Number one, go to the search engine, Google
Okay, sir.
site
Okay.
or Google website. Okay, once you can log in. Okay, once you can enter, this is the next step. So that is a blank site or professional or students or event or project. This is the default templates. Whether you can choose the default template or you are going to create one. This is the default template site. Okay, friends or something. Select as an event. Here you can enter the logo, company name. For example, Department of University of Kerala. Here you can enter. Sorry, sir, the net bandwidth of the band was very low, very slow. Wait. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. For example, you can wait something, enter the title. And same like as MS officer. Friday, FTP. You can change the font style. Okay. For example. So once you are going to make the design, there are so many templates there. You can change the images, you can change the content. Okay. Just in the last, you can going to give, you can give as a published. Suppose if you need the custom domain, this is an existing domain. Suppose, for example, I'm going to give as a website address for FTP. FTP. Or 5 days FTP. Or you can give your own name, sir. Okay. Just to publish. So it will take some time to make us a proper professional design. For example, with the help of Google Assistant, I have to create the own website. Whether the student they can access the notes, materials, video, portfolio, everything. So this is a website is running. Just to go to the publish. Or you can add the so many menus: home, schedule, speakers, venue, about us, anything. That's loading. Sorry, due to the network bandwidth, it's slow. It's loading now. Just you can select and publish. Yes, view the website. Select and view. Or anyone who can view the website. Yes, this is the website. Here you can change the font, text, what do you want, logo. Same like as a MS Office. What do you want? Home page or schedule or speakers or venue. It is a worldwide. Anyone they can access. Okay. Next, I would like to give another one on what is it called? Tool like as a yes. Just a minute. Sorry. I'm going to recommend another one tool is called as a OBS Studio. So OBS Studio means what is the main advantage of OBS Studio? So you can create the own video content. Okay. So most of the professors they have the plan to take the classes. They are ready to create as a YouTube content. The OBS Studio to provide the complete solution for you are taking the online classes. Other else you need to share your like online class through the live on Facebook or YouTube or any other social media with the help of OBS Studio. You can replace. Just I'm going to give a small demo. Okay. For example, this is a OBS Studio. So whether you can download the Windows or Mac or Linux, it is a complete free. Okay. So suppose you are using for the other software, you need to pay. So with the help of OBS Studio, you can take it as a record your screen as well as you are taking the classes as well as you need to create the Instagram post or video post or all kind of okay, video content with the help of OBS Studio, you can do it. Just I'm going to give one demo. This is already I have to use this one. I have to open the OBS Studio. Just a minute. So you can record your screen or you are need to what is it called as a given right as any of the program. For example, who's are the computer science faculty member, you can create the program to with the help of OBS Studio. Just you can on the record your screen. You can type any sorry, can't anywhere. Okay. Already I'm not sure on properly.
Sir, is it paid or is it free?
Only free, sir. No need to pay anything.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, the website which you have created for your own from the Google site is that
Already
also free?
the chat box. Yes, yeah, professor.dharma.com. With the help of Google site, I have to create this one, sir.
Sir, do we need to pay for if we will also create?
No need to pay anything, sir. Just for example, if you need your own domain, you can pay only for the with the help of GoDaddy or BigRax, any other domain server. Other else you can using for some other Google name. It is a free, sir. Did you
Okay,
understand?
thank you.
Suppose if you
Thank you,
need a
sir.
proper professional name, just you can register mostly 1,000 rupees you want to spend per year. Other else, if you don't want, just you can before you can add the name that is google.yourname.com. This one. Site.google.com as well as your name.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is the video. For example, you can take the classes. This is the setting mode. Just it's a node. Just I will check. I would like to give small launch anyway. OBS already is running. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, this is a OBS studio. Okay. I hope is it visible now? Okay. Yes. Once just you can select as a this is a total window. This is a property window. If suppose you need to record the screen current scenario, display capture. For example, okay. Another thing, capture the, for example, desktop duplicate or Windows 10. You can select. For example, automatically just you can just say desktop duplicate or issue. Give the okay. Whether audio. Next, you can choose the audio. So whether you can use it for the headset or it will be show. For example, I'm using for the headset name. Just you can select it. Okay. Once I have to give as an input audio. So this is audio window. As well as window capture, media source. You can choose, select the display. Just I can give and say okay. Just a minute. Start video. I'm going to start recording. Okay. So what I'm going to take in the classes, all the details has been right now recorded. For example, I'm going to click the Google Meet as event speaker, open studio, anything. So the video is recorded. So once you start to record, then you can do any other operation. Suppose you are going to type any other program or anything. Okay. It will be recorded. Notepad, just I'm going to type some notepad. Okay. For example, School of Computing Science, just I'm going to close. And right now I'm going to stop recording. Okay. Next I'm going to the my folder. Go to the video. Latest one. I think this one is latest. I think. I'm going to play. Okay. Is it clear, sir? Next, I would like to go for the yes, Google the edit site. I would like next the right now the last only 2 PPT I'm going to explain. I thought the time is over. 9:45 need to be closed. Okay. Another add-on. This is a rapid general quality checker. This is one of the another one add-on. So what is the main advantages? Just I'm going to click. You can everybody right now we need to aware about Q1 general or Q2 general or Q3 general or Q4 general. There are 4 primary criteria. So Q1, let us say quarantine 1, quarantine 2, quarantine 3, and quarantine 4. How will going to identify your general? It should be coming under the Q1 or Q2 or Q3. So just you can add in your add-on in your browser. Okay. For example, rapid journal quality check. Rapid journal quality check. So once you can add in your browser. Okay, for example, I'm going to show Google Scholar. For example, I'm going to enter my name. My mail ID, I have to enter my mail ID. Search. My profile. Just a minute. This is a normal. Already the add-on was loaded. Only 1 minute. Yes. The side, you can check. It's loading right now. You can check the citations, whether your journal is there, yes, Q1 or Q2 or Q3. Just a minute. It showed like this. Just a minute. For example, Q1, Q2
Sir,
or
please share the link with
references.
us
Yes,
so
sir.
that we can. Sir, please share the link. This rapid journal
Sure.
quality.
Okay, just a minute. I'm going
Thank
to
you, sir.
share through the chat box. Just a minute.